Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you, Mr. Moderator, Honorable Governor, Honorable Mayor of Tokat, my very good friend, Mr. Mustafa Kalender, Mr. John Bruno, Executive Director of TIES, Excellencies, distinguished guests, media representatives, and ladies and gentlemen. A very good afternoon to all of you. Being a person who has been actually involved from the very beginning as a career diplomat with the sustainable development subject from, I think, 1992, which is going to be 30 long years, and I was representing Bangladesh as the particular specific second committee meetings when I was working at the UN as one of the diplomats, senior diplomats there. Today it's a great honor actually, because I thought I will make my presentation on ecotourism and Bangladesh tomorrow, which I will do. There will be a presentation given to show beautiful Bangladesh. But today they told me to come, the organizers, and say a few words, welcoming all the people who have, I will say, overwhelmed me. Because so many people during pandemic is present here because, as was said by Mr. Bruno, they want to go out, they want to enjoy, and then they want to exchange their views and their whatever they want deep inside their heart. But one thing is different than 30 years back when there was a big symposium in Latin America, you all know. The program actually started there, the Rio conference. Actually, we have to be very careful. Whatever we say and do, we have to be careful. And if you ask me, after almost 30 years of practicing and 36 years in diplomacy, I will say we have to change our mind. We have to think in a different way in new normal situation. It will not be so easy. It will not go so soon. I'm talking about the corona. So we have to enjoy, but carefully. We have to talk, but less. Because if you still do that, the speeches in a class, face-to-face class, will be still 50 minutes. That teacher will not be a popular one, because now even young children are catching corona. And the new variant, the Delta variant, is dangerous. So you have to learn, whoever is doing whatever, how to do in the shortest possible time, whatever is his or her responsibility. A teacher should learn how to speak the same thing, not in 50 minutes, but maybe in 25 or 30 minutes. These things are very important. I will congratulate Mr. Murtuza and his team for organizing in a historic place, in a very historic place with Mr. Bruno and others, because Tokat is a couple of thousand years old city. You have brought back many people with good memories here, and some who are new like me, who came to Turkey recently to see this beautiful place. Thank you very much. And also at the same time I want to thank you because your subject is excellent. The International Ecotourism Society is doing a great job in this respect. And at the same time I want to also request you that we should be thinking, because you are doing many things very nicely, but as the world is suffering, if you open all the news channels, you will see whether it is USA or Russia or Brazil or our neighbor India, we're all suffering. How to do this tourism in a clever way and how to save ourselves, because just for enjoyment we shouldn't kill ourselves. It was the last 2 points of Mr. Bruno. I also noticed that thing. So those things we have to take into consideration, because your symposium is the very recent one after the Antalya program which was done by the Tourism and Culture Minister. So we have to start thinking differently When you ask me, I will not go back and talk like which I did in 2002 at the UN. No, because the situation after 19 years is not at all similar. We have to think differently. We have to change our mind. In the new normal, it will not be the same. And that's why when they requested me to thank all of you and at the same time say a few words, I wanted to draw your kind attention, especially thinking about the next generation, that we have to survive first and at the same time create new plan, how to serve the community better, how to go back to the business, but with new plan and new plan of action. I thank you all. Thank you.